Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 320xi xDrive. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder twin turbo with 180 horsepower and 200 pounds of torque. 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Aftermarket carbon fiber accessories on the side. The mirror covers. Center console, trim, beige interior, aftermarket carbon fiber spoiler, xDrive 320i badging, set of all-season floor mats, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, automatic transmission, sports and eco driving mode, hard keys for our infotainment center. This BMW has 37,307 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this 320i xDrive, visit us at feldmannimports.com.